What is up, guys? Back again with another video. What we got going on today is a vlog for you guys. Go ahead and pick up some wheels for the G, some drift wheels for whenever we go drifting and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead, take the cover off the G, go ahead and head over to my dad's work and get the truck, and then once we get the cover off, and go ahead and head over and get the wheels. Now we're about to go ahead and head over and go get the wheels. It's like a 50-minute drive. Got our coffee, and then I'll show you guys the wheels once we get that. Alright, so we just got home. Went in and threw my shirt on because I'm about to work on the car, but I'll show you what we got for that. I wasn't able to film no more because my camera died, but here are the wheels. Woo. Yeah, so here are the wheels. This is so what I got, some XXRs, I don't know, like 552 or something like that. But yeah, these are sandblasted. I'm gonna paint them white, two of them white, and maybe pink or purple on the other two. Alright, other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the G and show you guys what we got for that. You probably already know we about to lower the G and get her all fitment perfect, but yeah. So this is what we got going on for the G. Getting some tow arms so that we can lower her some more, so that she's tucking and everything. You can't go no more lower. There it is. We finally got all bolted up and everything, and I think we got it all where I want it. What do y'all think? Yeah, so she looks good. This is kind of where I want the car to be set up at. Might need to get some spacers in the front, but the fitment's all straight. I need to get the bumper put on. So yeah, now I'm gonna go and wash the car and probably get a cinematic for that. Bye. The next day, we actually got something special in the mail today, which I'm about to show you guys. Well, you probably can tell by the title of this video, or what I'm probably going to title this video. But let me go ahead, bring that shit out, open up everything, and show you guys what I got. Alright, so this is what I got. I had to get it separate like this. I guess that's just what you have to do. I'm not too sure. But I got SPARCO brackets, and I got a CORBEAU seat rail. So what I'm going to go ahead and do first is pull this car forward so that I have some working room, and then go ahead and get started. Alright, so now that we have the car all pulled up, we're going to go ahead and install the brackets and the seat rails onto the bride seat right there. Then go ahead and take that seat out and put that seat in there. Yeah, so if anybody didn't know, I had these seats in my my 300ZX, and you could tell this one was my driver's seat, Yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and dispose of this one and then put this one inside the car. We're not putting a passenger seat in there right now just because my my dad, whenever he comes with me drifting and everything, I like to take him on a ride and he won't sit in this seat. This is like a 32 waist and he's not a 32 waist. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just install the driver's seat for right now, and then in the future, whenever my parents move, because they're gonna be moving, I'm gonna install this seat in the passenger side. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. So I got the seat out and everything. I was gonna hook up the brackets to the bride seats, but I couldn't do that because I had to use the hardware from that seat for those brackets because they didn't supply me with that. But yeah, as you can tell, I already got the seat bolts out and everything. And then as I was about to yank this hoe out, look how much wires there is. Like, fuck. So now I gotta take this apart. But yeah, it's also another day too. It started to get dark. I was losing daylight, and then the crickets started making noise, and I did not want to deal with that shit on the vlog. But yeah, if I'm listening too, it's because I got my retainers in. I gotta keep these suckers in. I forgot to keep it in. I forgot to keep them in all day yesterday, and yeah, so I might be lisping in this video. But yeah, I'm gonna get this out, get all these wires unhooked, and then hook up my bridal seats to my brackets. Oh yeah, your boy got a haircut too. Look at that. It's all short and shit. Ooh, it was uneven. It looked janky, but we'll get that length back. It's a heavy fucking chair. Jesus. Yeah, we definitely gotta switch the other side. Fuck. So here's the seat. They told me I'm supposed to use some nuts and bolts on this shit, but I have no idea what the hell I'm supposed to be taking out. And basically I'm supposed to get those bolts off that bracket and use them for these brackets like that, but I have no idea what I'm supposed to take off. So I'm about to go to the hardware store, see if I can find some nuts and bolts so that I can put this together and get this all done. But you know how that goes. Alright, so I just got back from the hardware store. Well, not really the hardware store. I went to Home Depot. I went to the hardware store and they were closed, and then I had to drive further and go to Home Depot. But it's whatever. I got the part with these little nuts and bolts, and also got some washers. But I'm gonna go ahead and see if these fit, and if they do, I'm gonna go ahead and use them. But I'm pretty sure they're gonna fit. Yeah, so I wasn't filming, but this damn bar came off, so I'm not gonna deal with that again because that shit was a pain in the ass, and I had to deal with it on my other Z whenever I wrecked, because on my other ones I had, on my 300 I had rails, but I didn't have the brackets, and whenever we custom made some brackets and I wrecked, and whenever that happened, the whole thing got janked up, like right here. So I'm gonna put some zip ties and make sure this bitch does not happen again. That shit sucked dealing with it last time. But they were custom brackets, so you know. So I actually forgot to put the seatbelt buckle on, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off and then put it on here. Alright, so putting in this seat, only 3 of the holes lined up, so I'm gonna have to drill that one out. Shit. But yeah, you can't really adjust the seat. I was getting so mad, but now, you know, you just gotta calm down, think about it, loosen up these screws right here, and then you can easily move the seat back and forth. So I'm just gonna have to take this apart every time I'm gonna do it. You don't gotta take it all the way off, but just gotta loosen it, crack it open, and then boom, you can slide that bitch. But I'm gonna go ahead, drill this open, and then go ahead and try to put her in. Alright, so I got it all drilled out. She fits good. Everything's in tight. She's in there. She's in there tight. Now we're about to go ahead and put on some Hot Boy grip tape. Got some cautious grip tape that I want to put on here. You know the vibes. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, cut this all out, and then stick her on to the pedals. There we go. Got it all cut out and put on. They feel good. Now get the seat in. Heck yeah, everything looks good. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. The drift car finally gets a seat. I'm not out here slinging around because I know my boys out there without no racing seat. Your knees always hitting this shit. That hurts, man. And having this little bolster right here, it helps. But yeah, that's I never had a bracket before. You know, like I said, I put a custom bracket on the Z. And that shit broke, but it kept my car, it kept the seat in place, so I didn't mess with it. But now we got it all legit and everything. Car looks good. But yeah, other than that, I'll catch you guys up on the next video. Goodbye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.